So that is how we write about credibility of the author. In the next stage, we write about main idea of the document, means the purpose of the researchers who wrote that research article. Okay, so it can be identified from three important areas. Okay, so it could be seen, it could be observed in articles abstract, in the abstract or executive summary of the article. In this area, it is possible for the users to identify what is the main idea of the document. Otherwise, in introduction chapter, it will be definitely written about the actual idea. Maybe it is maybe just before here. See, the main aim of the paper is to analyze the possibilities of improving the existing education system by using maybe variable computing devices. See, this is how the purpose of the document. That is main idea. To understand it, they will be explaining clearly. See how the process will be happen. This is the main idea, but how it will be done is also explained here. You can briefly mention in your own words. You can write about it. Okay, if it is not found here, sometimes there will be a section by name research methods or like methodology in the article. By using that in that methodology, it will be discussed about the purpose of the document. If you don't find in that section also, go to conclusion section. In conclusion section, it will be clearly detailed what is the purpose of the document, how they researched about the concept, and what kind of conclusions have made by the researcher. All right, this is about main idea of the document. The next section for which the information should be collected is possible audience. So mostly by observing the content and the kind of the title or like what is the target area of the research. For example, in the example I quoted, we are targeting healthcare industry, health management industry. So they will be our target audience. Otherwise, manufacturers of the wearable computing devices would be the target audience. Okay, so based on this we can decide. It is not a important statement. You can make a statement about it, otherwise you can ignore it. So if you have a very limited words, then use it, not a problem. Okay, so this is how we start writing about the document. I guess first three important elements of the annotation, that is credibility to the author and possible audience and main idea of the document, is understood by you. Okay, in the next discussion, I will detail about content and how to write the content.